I'll be sharing the books that I've read. I will be sharing the knowledge that I've gained, because you need to learn new things. We are in this earth to learn. You came into this earth. You were born. You've been learning throughout your life, learning how to walk, learning how to talk, learning. We are still learning. Be prepared to learn. If you want to move from where you are to the next step of your life, you need to be prepared to learn. Let's learn together. I've learned, and it's never enough. I've been learning on a different level. I had to learn different books. I have to read different books. Like I've shared, I've studied. I believe in education. And the education that I've collected, I wasn't applying it fully, but I'm using it for myself. I did CMA, Cost and Management Accounting. It's practically finance and accounting. When we talk of finance, we talk of, when you look at finance, we look at what has happened in the business. When we talk of accounting, we look at what it is that we budgets we look forward to. So if you look at the meaning of the word plan, planning is a program. So we are planning us on our life, on ourselves, and we are applying a certain method. You have to apply a method. If you're planning, you must have a method. You must have a preparation. You prepare. Before I come to this recording, I prepared myself. I plan. I'm going to do this. When you go to school, you go to work, you have to go anywhere, you plan. Now focus on yourself. Plan. Take it. You have intention. Because having a plan is being intentional. One thing that we have, all of us in common, we all share 24 hours a day, every day. If you are alive, you share a 24-hour. We share the same time. It depends on you, on how you want to use your time. It depends on each and everyone, how you're going to use your time. So we're starting by planning, because when I create on a notepad, a book that you got, or a journal that you have, it doesn't have to be fancy. We'll write the word plan. Write the word on the other side, create. You plan, you create. We are here to plan, because when I create, God created us. God had a vision. God can see the future. God created us. That should tell you something about the power God has given us. We have to lean on the Creator for us to create. But He has given us, you are a complete project of God. He created us in the time He was talking. We are here, we're creating something. We are talking. You are listening. I had to improve on the listening skill when I was starting on this journey. And when I talk of the process, I'm here to say we are entering into this journey of discovering your potential, my potential, reaching our goals. Because we're here on this earth to serve a purpose. We are here on this earth to serve a purpose. But you're feeling stuck. You are not reaching. Let's have a plan on how we're going to do that. It's doable. we can do this. You've written the word plan, you have written the word create. You will go and look on it on any Google search that you know. You will search the word plan, what it means. You will search the word create, what it means. In any Google search, you know, you will look for the meaning of those two words. They have to have a meaning. With a journal that you have, a book that you're keeping, you listen, you go to church, you go to any events that you attend, even if you're here, you're listening to any book, you're listening to any podcast, you are listening to any, or you are reading a book, you'll take notes. Take notes. Take notes. If you take notes of anything, it's hardly you lose it. It's hardly for you to lose it, to miss it. You take notes of what you're consuming. You are being intentional. You are plotting. You are designing. If you search those two words, they somehow connect. Because we are scheming, we are plotting, we are aiming, we are designing, we are working it out, we are doing it, we are aligning it, we are shaping it, we are developing, we are framing. They almost connect. You are setting the goals with a plan. You are making, you are erecting, you are making it into life. I said, one thing that we all have in common is time. I'm doing this in between the time. I have other responsibilities. During the day, I'm at work. I'm still in my normal work where I'm not feeling it, but I'm still doing it. You are also stuck somewhere, but you must have a plan on how you're going to get out of it. That's my plan. That is your plan. Make a plan on how you're going to get out. You have to find meaning into your life. Find meaning of where you are. You are there for a purpose, for a certain reason. You are still there, but you need to find a meaning to get out. You're feeling stuck. You are not reaching your potential. You're feeling unwealthy, or where you're pushing but you're not getting somewhere. Why are you there? I found the meaning why I'm there. I'm working in the process department. I needed to understand the process. I needed to understand the way life goes, the way everything, it has a process. So I found the meaning why I'm there, why I'm in the process department. Because I needed to understand the process. I needed to talk about the process to each and every one of you. Where you are, it's a process. Wherever you are, it's a process of getting you to see where you should be, where you are going, where you need to plot, to design, to shape. That process is shaping you for a better self. That process where you are is it's creating you, it's molding you to a better self. For mothers, being pregnant, it's a process for you to give birth. Where you are pregnant. You need to give birth. We are all pregnant with something. We are finding the light within. With this podcast, we're saying the light within is the light within. There is a light within you. Shine it. Work on the traumas, your ideas, the struggle, the healings. Work on them. We are coming up with a plan on how to do all of that, to come to bend Let the shine inside us shine. Because what we are presenting to ourselves, to everybody else around you, is just the 20%, the surface, quoting from psychology, the surface culture, the unconscious. When you sleep in your dreams, when you unconscious, the things that you wish, your wishes, your desires, they are making you, they made you. We are bringing them up. They are our 80%. We want that 80% to become one, to make 100% of ourselves. We are presenting the roles, different roles, 20%. Sometimes it's not even real. It's not even 20%. The 80% that is within, we are working on it. With this journey, with this podcast, me and you, let's find our light within. Let's shine. Be what you came into this earth. Become yourself, one self. Discover you. You know what you can do. You know you know yourself better. You are unique. You are a project. You are a complete project. In community development, they talk of a process and outcome. In community development, we talk of programs. They have program, if you say a plan, it's a program. Create that for you. But I want you to understand the process. This alarm is telling me I have to get ready to go to work. I do this in the morning in my house, between me going to work, consuming the other role that I need to play. So time is everything. Time, we all have the same time. We all have common time. You just need to be intentional and plan how you're going to use your time. You have it. Start. Make a plan to create. With those 2 words, you're going to write them, and you're going to do a search. You are going to search those 2 words, what they mean. And I'll come back on my next video to explain them. We are taking this walk together. We are reaching our limits. We are reaching our goals. We are grabbing. We are using our resources. One podcast I listened to with self-identity, you needed to ask yourself this question: who am I? You're asking you, who am I within you? So we are finding this light. We're finding our 80%. We are combining it with the 20%, because we can portray 20%. It's easy to portray out. Then we say, don't wear your struggle, don't wear your pain. We can do that. You don't wear our pain. We go out and we give the 20%. But inside you are struggling. Inside you've got all other things. Everything is there. We are lightening it. We are making, because your struggle, they make you. That's what they're making you. You are learning from them. Your ideas, they are real. Your desires, they are real. Your anxieties, they are real. In psychology, we talk anxieties. They are real. In a business, busyness. There's so much anxieties. If you're taking your life as a business, you'll have anxieties. But the business stop because they have business, they have anxieties. No, that's what keep it going. You are a business, you are generating profits. Generate out of you. Marry yourself first. Like I told you, I'm married. Marry yourself first. Marry yourself. It's easy for you to get into a marriage life. I'm a twin. Living two but one. I was born out of two parents, male and a female, like you. But you have to find yourself in one to be complete. It's you. It's all in you. It's all in you. The completion is done. God created it. Begin your completion phase to begin your journey. Let's bring it out. Let's design it. Let's be intentional. I'll come back with the plan and the creation. We're doing this together. We are doing it. Doesn't matter where you come from, how you were born, or how you were brought into this earth. It doesn't really matter. This was part of your struggle. This is part of your journey. What you hear now, you are beginning your journey with intention. You are organizing your life, putting your life into a perspective that God created you for. You are finding a purpose. You know your purpose. You are developing it. Let's do this. Catch me on my next video. Like, subscribe, comment. Let's walk this walk together. It's walkable. We are getting there.